Weather definitely played a factor. It got slippery. It got slippery a couple of times. I think 5-4 in the second set. First point, we served and made a return. He hit a good slice and baseline was slippery. The lines were slippery and I fell.
Okay, and then you clearly you were feeling that from then on.
Yeah.
But you still had your serve, that never went.
I was struggling on it because I couldn't get up on it anymore. The grind is completely gone.
Wow. What do you think are your possibilities of continuing?
Can see what happens.
When you wake up,
I get a break tomorrow, you know.
Oh, so, okay. Yeah. And so it's a touch, wait and see as you go along.
Exactly.
Okay, what do you think about how Adam played?
He played well. I didn't expect it. Played really well. Very consistent today.
The rain kind of got in the way. I had the momentum. I started off slow, so he got the first set pretty easy, and then I bounced back in the second. And then so the momentum was with me. Closing out the second set to then go to the tie break, but then the rain came. I was still able to take the second set, but then the momentum had already shifted. So the 10-point tie break, it can go anyway. So it was close up until about 5-all, and then he had the rest of it. Yeah.